Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to assign recurring tasks automatically in ClickUp, your ultimate guide for 2025. The first step, no doubt, is to log into your ClickUp account. This is your gateway to efficient task management, so ensure you're using your admin account to access all necessary permissions. Now that we've done that, let's navigate to the task you want to set as recurring. Click on the task, then look for the due date box. The reason we do this is because it's in this box that we can set the task's recurring schedule. Next, click on Set Recurring. A drop-down menu will appear with various scheduling options. Now, let me explain why this matters. Setting a recurring schedule ensures that the task will automatically reappear at the defined intervals, saving you the trouble of manually creating it each time. Now here's where the fun part begins. In the Assignee field, select the team member you want to assign the task to. This helps us because ClickUp will send automatic reminders to the assignee whenever the task is due, making task management a breeze. Once you've chosen your assignee, click Save Changes. This will save the task's recurring schedule and assignee. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now set to automatically assign this task to the selected team member at the defined intervals. Now that you've mastered the art of assigning recurring tasks in ClickUp, it's time to use this feature to its fullest potential. Start by creating a few more recurring tasks and assigning them to different team members. Remember, efficiency is key in task management, and with ClickUp's recurring tasks feature, you're well on your way to a more organized workflow. And there we have it, a quick and easy guide on how to assign recurring tasks automatically in ClickUp. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to effective task management is consistency and efficiency. Tune in next time for more tips and tricks.